Roosevelt Lake. We got Jake, AF, aka Matt. So,
dedicated food eaters.
Yeah, dedicated food eaters. But we're out right now. Finally, it's Friday, so we're gonna be out here until Monday. We have 3 nights of flathead fishing, so hopefully we can pull something together. Hopefully get some really big fish like we have been in the last 2 years. So, see what we can do. She's got one too. It's like a toad. There's a double.
Double up, mate.
Alright, we are just slaying bluegill now. Took a minute. That's another nice one. Jeez. Alright guys, as you can see, we're slaying bluegill now.
Bait's hard today, guys.
Been here for about 20 minutes and now we have at least 10 big bluegill. Real.
Certified crappie.
Biggest one maybe. Jesus. Yep, just slab bluegill. Like that. This thing is like staying down.
We got sunnies now, bro.
We got crappie now, son. We got crappie now, son.
What the hell? I got that one.
Oh my god. He had a fish and it almost took it all the way under. That's a big green. That's a green right there. Thing is fat.
Oh boy. Either a carp or big channel.
It is going.
He's gonna go wherever he wants.
Go around me here.
You're in my way. Big over here.
Go under the rod. Well,
I think I'm gonna be able to wrap this up. He gone.
it's still going.
Why aren't you reeling it?
It's taking line. You can't reel it in.
He gone.
Tighten the drag. It's still going.
I don't want to know what this is.
Right, Jake's still reeling this fish in right now.
Jeez.
Woo!
Well, we got bait.
Yeah, cut bait forever. Alright, so we are fishing now. We made it to where we're gonna flathead fish tonight. Got plenty of bait in there. Got a rod out right there. Jake and Matt are getting their rod set up. I'm getting more line set up. Matt over here using the biggest bait. Green sunfish. You using it?
Jake, I'm gonna inform more you. I'm changing back here, so.
Okay. I don't want to stay there now anymore.
So set the hook. So you're gonna.
I don't think it's there.
Yeah, I don't know if it's there anymore.
Yeah, it's probably.
It's on there. It's tiny. It's a big bluegill.
It's a bluegill. Just drop it back there. Be fine.
How do you do it?
Jake has a fish on this line that we had from all the way over there. It swam around the entire boat, and I'm going to attempt. Sorry. I'm going to attempt to untangle it from this tree over here. Okay. I think it's a channel. It's not even cool. But it's still tangled around a tree. Yeah, it's not even a big channel. It's like a 5-pound channel. Alright, so I figured out that it was a channel and it's stuck around a little tree up here. It's not a very big channel, but still a fish, so I'm getting back to the boat now to see if I can break the lead off of it, because the lead is what's wrapped around the tree. Yeah, channel on board. Alright, so here's this fish. It's probably a good 6 pounds, at least. Just a big old channel. I'm gonna throw it back right now and let him go. And boom goes the dime. It's a very scarred up channel.